Getting that alignment in place is critical for staying in harmony. And somebody who's in harmony cannot be stressed, right? So speaking of this body, mind, spirit alignment, let's look at TPP alignment, or the TPP pillars of stress. You know, TPP is short for time, priority, and purpose. It maps onto body, mind, spirit. Time is the mind. It is a figment of our imagination. The reason why it's a pillar for stress is because we don't have time. We're always short of time, and that's what creates stress. But the fact is that time has existed before you were there, and it will exist after you're there, and it does not even know that you are around. So there's nothing that you can do to manage something that's outside of you and doesn't even bother about who you are. The only thing you can manage is what's inside of you, and that is your energy. So there's a paradigm shift. Instead of trying to work on time, you start working on energy and leave that as a part of the mind. The mind just works on the time paradigm, but you work on energy. Priority. We move our bodies with priority. We do this, we do that, and often when there's a clash of doing this or doing that, we get hugely troubled, right? Do I pick up the kids now, or do I go for the meeting now? So, and then we have relationships going sour. We have fights about, well, you don't understand what I'm saying, and this and that, and this is important to me, and why isn't it important to you, and all that sort of stuff. Stress. So, priority is to do with the body, and with the spirit is purpose. If you have your purpose in place, if you know why you do whatever you do, a lot of stress is removed. And without purpose, we stay stressed for years and years and years without realizing it. So that's what's important.